flames, but they're from the deepest pits of the spirit world. Oh, help me. I have the power to pull you to oblivion. I assume just my right arm will do. You know it's impossible to control it completely. Once I release it, I have no say. Oh. You should never have insulted the Chigan Eye, because you see, in a way, it has its own mind and loathes disrespect. Resisting it is not something I would do.
I realize I'm supposed to stay, but in light of this little situation we have here, retreat!
Dragon of the Darkness Flame! EA has succeeded.
Ah, where's Zero? There's his outline, at least.